This is not a magic trick. This is a science experiment. Prepare a magnet, 2 bottle caps and a piece of glass. Spin the euro on the glass. Use the glass to hold up the gyroscope. After removing the glass, the euro will be suspended in the air and will not fall down. Put the straws together to form a square. Put it into the soapy water. Put a cotton thread on it. Touch it with a pencil to turn it into a circle. Spray the waterproof spray on the sand. Drop in the paint. Mix well. Put it in the water and it becomes space sand. You also hurry to try it. Rub the comb repeatedly on the balloon, close to the water flow. The water flow will come closer to the comb. Put the cotton thread in 2 cups. Lift the cup with water and pour it down. You will find that the water flows down the cotton thread into the other cup. Will not spill. Can you do it? Use a marker to draw a small red flower on the plate. Add water and it comes to life. You can also print it on your hand. Pour the starch in the pot. Add water and mix well. And you have a non-Newtonian fluid.